Hi, my name is Dr. Srikanth. I am a pediatrician from Hyderabad. Today I will be talking about eczema. Eczema is a skin condition in which our skin will become red, dry, scaly and itchy. All the four features will be there. Eczema develops when the topmost layer of the skin, which is called epidermis, got damaged or not functioning properly. Epidermis usually protects us, our body, from the environmental factors. Eczema runs in families. It's a hereditary disease. Eczema can affect from infancy to elderly. Any age group, it can affect any sexes. Both male and female can be affected with eczema. Eczema is also a chronic disease. Once it develops, it affects you. It continues for months and years together, sometimes life also. We have some measures to prevent eczema. When you know the causative factors, if you know what leads to eczema, then we can plan about prevention. Eczema can be triggered or flared up by some factors like extreme temperatures, like extreme cold, extreme dryness, contact with the irritant like detergents, strong soaps, perfumes, talcum powders, cosmetics, woolen clothes, synthetic clothes, and animal dander, contact with animals, pets, all this can trigger eczema. So to prevent eczema, we have to avoid all the triggering factors. And also eczema can be triggered by emotional stress. Stress also is a triggering factor. So we have to keep our mind cool so that we can prevent eczema. Then comes the management. Management is mainly through emollients. By keeping our skin moist, by maintaining the hydration of the skin, we can prevent the flare-ups and we can treat eczema. Eczema can also get infected sometimes. When the bacteria sits on the skin which got damaged, which got dry due to eczema, can be infected. So prevention of the infection also is attained by keeping our skin moist by applying liberal moisturizing creams. By applying moisturizing cream, we can treat eczema effectively so that our skin will not become dry, dehydrated, and we can also prevent infection. Unfortunately, if we get infection through bacterial infections, bacterial organisms, we have to treat that infected eczematous lesions through local antiseptics, and sometimes it will be severe through oral antibiotics also. Eczema is a clinical diagnosis. Eczema can be diagnosed clinically. There is no test which can say this is eczema. By taking history, by taking the family history, by taking the symptoms, detailed history of the symptoms, onset, we can diagnose that it is an eczematous condition. We need not go for any tests. So finally, eczema is a chronic disease which has to be prevented by applying liberal moisturizing creams. If your skin is dry, cream liberally on your body 3-4 times a day, no problem. If it is severe, continuous gauze applied on the lesions, gauze which is wet with the lubricant, moisturizing cream. You apply liberal moisturizing cream and over that you apply a gauze piece. By that the eczematous lesions will not spread, will not get deteriorated. Continuously you can apply gauze from days to from hours to days also you can apply moisturizing gauze which will be remaining on the eczematous lesion. We apply the bandage, gauze bandage, which is lubricated with the emollient, that is the moisturizing cream. But if you are planning to continue that bandages, gauze applications, you have to change every 8 hours because it will become dry, and you have to change a fresh emollient applied gauze. These gauzes, bandages are used for the severe persistent eczematous lesions. Other eczematous lesions can be managed with the application of the moisturizing creams or lubricants. And if the eczematous lesions are very severe, sometimes you have to use topical steroids, mild topical steroids under the guidance of a dermatologist, a pediatrician or a physician. Without their advice, we shouldn't apply steroid creams. It's harmful for your skin, for your body. So the mainstay of treatment is prevention. Avoid triggering factors like contact irritants, irritant clothings, contact with the pets, stress, and you have to have enough sleep, and take lot of water. Dehydration also can lead to dryness of the skin, which in turn leads to eczema. All this will prevent us from getting eczematous lesions, and apply liberal moisturizing cream over the eczematous lesions. By that you will get relief. If it is get infected, then apply local antiseptic creams or antibiotic tablets or medications with the guidance of doctors, and lastly steroids, local steroids with the doctor's advice, not by your own. Thank you.